Now, it's time to perform the detailed inspection of the vehicle in the workshop. You'll be impressed when you see the great features available on the mobile device for the technicians. Let's take a look and see how it works. You can search for a job here by entering the RO number, customer name, or license plate number, or just simply tap a job to begin the vehicle inspection. With everything digital, everyone has this information at their fingertips. Once you've opened the job, tap here and select your name from the drop-down list. The technician walks around the vehicle and completes the full inspection of the vehicle on their device. Work through the checklist while inspecting the vehicle, and tap on a colored box to record the condition of each section. Green indicates everything is in good condition. Amber shows that work will be required in the near future, and red means that immediate action is required. After selecting amber or red, you must choose an operation that best matches the issue. You can also attach photos or videos. Simply tap the camera icon, and we'll choose the Take Photo or Video option. Now take a photo of the issue. Then tap here to upload the photo to the operation. If you have found more than one issue in a section, simply tap this icon to add extra lines. Then all you need to do is tap here to add an operation. Or tap this icon and type in a description for the issue. At any time, you can easily delete a line by tapping whenever you see this icon. One of the biggest time-saving features of the system is that as you select an issue, the pricing is automatically retrieved from the DMS, or the service quoting system. Now we continue to work our way through the checklist. We can record a detailed assessment of the brakes, entering the remaining amount of wear for the discs and pads. Then select an operation for the brakes here. Simply tap the camera icon, take a photo, and add it to the operation. A great feature of the vehicle health check is a red or amber flag will appear as a useful guide on the number of issues that have been identified in the inspection. Access and review the tires by tapping here. We begin our tire inspection by selecting the brand and size. If you can't find the brand or size from the drop-down list, you can enter the details into the relevant search fields and then tap Add. If the tires are all the same, simply tap Copy to All. This instantly copies the brand and size to all tires and saves you time. We record the tire tread depths for the outer, middle, and inner. If the tires are wearing evenly, you can enter the middle tread depth, and the outer and inner measurements will be filled out automatically. In the workshop with more visibility under the vehicle, you notice an issue with a tire that wasn't picked up in the initial driveway inspection. To record a damaged tire, just tap this switch here. To add a note for the tire, tap the Note icon and enter the details into this field. Now you can add a photo for the issue. Tap the camera icon. Take a photo and add it to the tire inspection. We can even add an operation related to the tires. Select the red checkbox here and choose an operation from the drop-down list. Finally, we review and check the bodywork. Here you can record any additional damage you find on the vehicle that wasn't picked up in the driveway inspection by tapping, selecting, and uploading. Now that we have completed the detailed inspection, we will move the job over to the parts department to confirm the pricing and availability. Let's select Jobs Today to see the job displayed here. At this point, the parts department will receive a notification that the job requires their attention, and you can now start the pre-booked work. If no additional work was identified during the vehicle inspection, just move the job over to the appropriate workflow step for your dealership. With the convenience of the digital inspection, you can easily identify and record additional work. You no longer need to spend time waiting for the pricing of parts. You just keep working on your job and let the parts advisor look after the quote for you.